The Houston Fire Department tasked SVI Trucks with building another rock-solid heavy rescue. Equipped with OnScene Solutions heavy-duty pull-down, slide-out, and transverse slides, this versatile heavy rescue will easily store the necessary equipment. Above, there are 7 upper body storage compartments to contain all the large and oversized equipment. At the front, the 21-inch bumper extension retains the worn 16,500-pound electric winch. The temperature inside the cab and partial walk-in body are cooled by a Dometic Penguin II auxiliary AC unit. This workhorse of a truck will stand true to the expectations and deliver sustainability to Houston, Texas.